The evening tea adults over 50 are drinking for better sleep and less inflammation. Why the body feels more inflamed at night after 50. After the age of 50, many people notice something frustrating happening in the evening. The body feels heavier. The legs ache more. The stomach feels bloated after dinner. Sleep becomes lighter and more interrupted. And instead of feeling relaxed at night, the body often feels tense, inflamed, restless, or overstimulated. Many adults describe waking up tired even after spending hours in bed. Others struggle with nighttime overthinking, discomfort, or waking up repeatedly throughout the night. What many people do not realize is that inflammation, stress, digestion, and sleep are deeply connected. And when the body remains stressed late into the evening, recovery becomes much harder. This is one reason traditional nighttime herbal teas are becoming popular again, especially chamomile tea. Not because chamomile is a miracle cure. Not because one cup suddenly fixes insomnia overnight. But because gentle evening rituals may help the nervous system slow down, digestion relax, and the body feel calmer before sleep. This article explores why adults over 50 are drinking chamomile tea again, how evening inflammation affects sleep and recovery, and why healthy aging often begins with calmer nights. Why sleep changes after 50. After 50, many people notice that sleep no longer feels deep and effortless. Some wake up several times during the night. Others fall asleep tired but wake up feeling unrest. Stress, inflammation, poor digestion, medications, blood sugar imbalance, dehydration, and anxiety may all affect sleep quality more strongly with age. At the same time, the nervous system often becomes more sensitive to stimulation. Late-night screen time, stress, heavy meals, sugar, caffeine, and emotional tension may keep the body in a constant, alert mode even when people are physically exhausted. The body struggles to fully relax. And when the body cannot relax properly, recovery becomes weaker. Inflammation may feel worse. Energy drops further. And digestion often becomes more uncomfortable. This is why calming evening routines become increasingly important after 50. Sometimes the body does not need stronger stimulation. Sometimes it needs permission to slow down. Why chamomile tea has been used for generations. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices because of its calming and soothing reputation. Its gentle floral aroma and warm comforting taste made it one of the most common nighttime drinks in many cultures. Today, researchers continue studying chamomile because of natural plant compounds connected with relaxation and nervous system support. Warm herbal drinks themselves may also help the body slow down psychologically. The warmth creates comfort. The aroma signals relaxation. And the ritual itself encourages the nervous system to move away from stress and overstimulation. After 50, these small calming rituals often become more important than people realize. The body responds strongly to repeated patterns. And a peaceful nighttime routine may help support healthier sleep rhythms over time. Chamomile and inflammation. Many people think inflammation only affects joints or muscles. But inflammation may influence the entire body. The gut. The brain. Sleep quality. Energy levels. Circulation. And even emotional stress. When stress remains high for long periods, the body often stays in a constant state of tension and alertness. This may affect digestion, sleep quality, appetite, and overall recovery. Chamomile contains antioxidant compounds researchers continue studying because oxidative stress and inflammation become increasingly important during aging. This does not mean chamomile cures inflammatory diseases. But supportive evening habits that reduce stress may help the body manage inflammation more effectively over time. Sometimes reducing inflammation begins with calming the nervous system itself. Why digestion feels worse at night. After 50, many adults notice that nighttime digestion feels heavier than before. Large dinners remain in the stomach longer. Acid reflux becomes more common. Bloating increases. And lying down after eating sometimes creates discomfort that affects sleep quality throughout the night. Part of this happens because digestion naturally slows during evening hours. Heavy processed meals, stress eating, sugary desserts, and late-night snacking may increase this burden even more. Warm herbal teas often feel comforting after meals because they encourage slower breathing, relaxation, and hydration. Chamomile tea has traditionally been associated with digestive comfort because calming the body may also calm digestive tension. The digestive system responds strongly to emotional stress. And when the mind feels calmer, the stomach often feels calmer too. What some people notice after drinking chamomile tea regularly. Many people who begin drinking chamomile tea regularly notice subtle improvements rather than dramatic transformations. The body may feel calmer at night. Sleep routines may become more consistent. Evening snacking may decrease. Digestion may feel lighter before bed. And some people simply begin looking forward to a peaceful nighttime ritual. Part of this may come from the tea itself. But part also comes from slowing down intentionally every evening. The nervous system often responds positively when people reduce stimulation before sleep. Less screen time. Less stress. Less late-night sugar. More calmness. More hydration. And more consistency. Healthy aging usually responds better to gentle repeated support than extreme quick fixes. How to make chamomile tea properly. Chamomile tea is usually prepared by steeping dried chamomile flowers in hot water for several minutes until the aroma becomes soft and floral. Some people drink it plain, while others add a thin slice of lemon or a small amount of cinnamon for extra warmth. The goal is simplicity. Adding excessive sugar often reduces the calming effect by increasing blood sugar spikes before sleep. Many adults over 50 enjoy chamomile tea about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime as part of a calming nighttime routine. The ritual itself becomes important. Soft lighting. Less screen exposure. Slower breathing. And allowing the body to recognize that the day is ending. Sometimes healing begins not with intensity, but with calmness. Who should be careful? Although chamomile tea is generally considered gentle for many people, certain individuals should still use caution. People with allergies to plants in the daisy family may experience sensitivity to chamomile. Others taking blood-thinning medications or sedative medications should speak with healthcare professionals before consuming large amounts regularly. Pregnant women should also seek medical guidance regarding herbal products. Natural does not always mean risk-free. And persistent sleep problems, severe anxiety, breathing issues during sleep, chest discomfort, or major health changes should never be ignored. Supportive habits work best alongside proper healthcare when needed. Healthy aging often begins with better nights. After 50, the body often becomes less tolerant of stress, poor sleep, heavy meals, overstimulation, and constant tension. And many people search for complicated solutions while ignoring the importance of simple calming habits. More hydration. Less evening stress. Lighter dinners. Better sleep routines. And gentle rituals like warm chamomile tea that may help the body feel calmer and more supported naturally over time. Because healthy aging is rarely built through extreme overnight solutions. It is usually built quietly through small daily habits repeated consistently for years.